Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G22 and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. First of all, you need to open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Samsung Voice Recorder. Following that, you need to install this app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now tap on this red button to start your recording and select Allow in the pop-ups. As you can see, recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it by tapping on this middle button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one and type in wherever you wish to. You can also just click OK. If you wish to discard it right away, pause it, click on left button with discard and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to end it and save it though, click on the check mark on the right. Now hit save at the top right corner. And as you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to create the other one, tap on this red button at the bottom right corner. In order to rename your recording, click on those three dots and tap on Rename option. Then type in wherever you wish to. To save your new name, click on OK. To play your recording, click on it. And in order to delete it, hold it. And click on this bin at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!